Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Oneonta local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a trustworthy and cheap Oneonta moving company just makes sense for a local or long-distance move. 3 Movers offers the most professional services at an affordable price. We have helped many people move, including veterans, students, homeowners, business owners, and renters. Our movers are ready to help you, no matter how big or small the job. When you need to move 100 miles away or further, we can help by providing the following options. Packing services. Make your long-distance move simple by letting us do the packing and the unpacking. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies are the best on the market and provide excellent protection even for the most fragile items. An on-time move. There will be no delays or cancellations with us. We show up at the scheduled time on moving day. Upfront pricing. An estimate from us gives you the transparent pricing you need. Licensed and insured. We only use professional movers that are fully licensed and insured. If it's time to relocate, you're likely overwhelmed with everything you're doing. It's a big deal. Our team of movers can help eliminate some of the stress by handling your long-distance move. Let us make your relocation easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oneonta moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.